Hi guys, do you love to bake? Like pizza, chicken, bread, and some dessert like cookies? So all you need to have is this electric oven. So for today's video, we're going to unbox a Sharp EO-42NK-3 electric oven, 1800 watts pro shaft, which is made in Japan. So this is Helen Tanyamore. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell down to keep updated for more videos from me. Wanna know what's inside this box? Let's go! So this is a Sharp EO-42NK-3 model, and it's electric oven. The watts is 1800 pro shaft. It is made in Japan, and it's buy from Lulu hypermarket. So we'll open this today. So it is sealed very well. So if you want to make a baggage sent to your house in the Philippines or which place, you can buy, and I think it's safe. So as you can see, first is the manual. They already put the manual. Operation manual. This is, I think, English, and this one is the Arabic manual. So next step, we're going to take out this electric oven from the box. So this is inside the box, the oven, and it has plastic here, so when it's inside it will not get open. This is, I think, for the safety. So we'll try to open it. So this is inside. So you can cook chicken, steak, kebab, fish, kebab, I think kebab, fish, pizza, and cake. So they love to bake. And what else? Inside in the box also is this one small carton. So we're going to open it. Oh, I see. This is the one for inside, right? When you're going to grill. So this one may be the adjust. And this one is the one for down when you cook, right? And this the last one. So we're going to put it inside. So as you can see, our electric oven is empty. So we're going to install all the things that we used here inside. So first is the one for the thing that catches, or the thing that fell on the food you cook. Okay, so this one is the first. You put it here up, and then if you want to clean, make sure that it's cold, then just pull it like that, then you can clean it. And next one is the food tray. This is food tray. You can cook the roast chicken here, hamburger stick, or cakes. And the other one is the wire rack. So it depends upon you. You can put it down or this one up, vice versa. And another one, it's free, is this one. This is a pitchfork. So for example, you want to pull this wire rack, just bring it in your behind you, and then you can push it back. Okay, then another one is the rotisserie forks, this one. So for example, you're going to grill the chicken, you can use this one. This is one of the free. Another one free is the, it's like a holding fork. So for example, you want to pull this get outside, just like this, pull it on the top like that, and then pull it, then press it. It's like you're holding it, and it's safe. Okay, just be careful, because you know it, when you cook here, it's hot, right? So this is one of the free. So that's all. So this time we're going to see it's working. So it's written here that before using it, the first use, please preheat the empty oven for 5 minutes. Smoke and burning smell will arise. This is normal for the first time operating the oven. So you have to switch it on for 5 minutes and wait for the, what they said, smoke and burning smell. So if there's already smoke and burning smell, so it means it's already hot. Okay, so we have already switched it on, so we'll wait for 5 minutes. So as you can see, there is a temperature here from 90, 140 until 230 temperature. And then there is a selector. There's only an air, so down and air, up and down, middle, all is on. So if you want all is on, you have to put it on the last one. And there is also a timer, so if you want to cook a cake, just put a timer so that you will know that it is already done cooking, right? So after 5 minutes, now our electric oven is working. So I put it in 10 minutes. So as you can see, the timer also starts clicking. That's the timer. Okay, so I think it's good quality, and I want you to buy this. I recommend you to buy this product, and it's good for cooking, and I think it's also a user friendly, guys. So that's all. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and bye bye.